Hi folks, my name is Ken Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. I'm working at Guarantee RV as a sales representative. It's my pleasure today to show you this 2020 Newmar Kountry Star 3709. Let's go inside and take a look around. Washer and dryer would go right here. Stacker. Here's your vanity. Lots of room. Cross over here. You got storage here for hanging. Rounded shower, gives you lots of room in here. As we move out, you have your privacy door, pocket door right here that slides over. King size bed, windows on both sides. Across you've got your TV, Samsung TV, closet space on both sides, drawers underneath. As we move into the living area, here's your privacy doors for the bedroom. Residential refrigerator, nice booth dinette. This slides out, put more leaves in there. Across is our kitchen. Two large stainless steel sinks. Window in the kitchen's nice for that natural light. Lots of light underneath the cabinets here. Stainless steel 3-burner stove, microwave convection up above. Across over here we have our nice couch with a couple of ottomans. Our televator here, large TV, goes up and down. Whenever you don't want your TV and you want a window, there's your window. Right here we've got our fireplace. As we move into the cockpit, controls are up here above. Auto leveling. You've got, cruise control, all the bells and whistles. Electric awning over the entry door, full body paint, large TV outside. Let me just check one thing. This coach does have backup camera and side cameras. Big storage base. Another big storage bay. If you wanted to put in a slide tray, you could put a slide tray in here. Another spot for a slide tray. Central vac. Pegboard, there's a big water tank behind this, so you have a pegboard to hang some tools on. Great gaskets on these coaches, help keep everything dry. Storage out here. There's your chassis batteries. Okay, receiver in the back. Backup camera, here's your ladder. This coach is equipped with 360 Cummins. Storage here. 50 amp cord. There's your DEF fluid. There's your clean out bay, water filter, outdoor shower, sewage rinse. Again, both of these next to storage. We'll skip right down here. There's your batteries. Looks like 6 large batteries on a slide tray, big propane tank. Fuses, latch for the generator. Side cameras right here. If you have questions about this Kountry Star or any other coach here at Guarantee RV, give the coach a call, 208-250-8625. Have a great day.